Unfortunately, the US missile interceptors have failed. The ballistic missile from North Korea has broken into 5 miniature ballistic missiles, headed to the island of Oahu. The missiles are expected to hit the island in 5 minutes. Seek fallout shelter immediately, as the ballistic missiles are presumed to have nuclear warheads. We've also gotten word of the launch of 2 other ballistic missiles, presumably targeting the mainland United States. This is a nuclear attack on our country. If you are a part of a religion, pray now to your God. Be surrounded by your loved ones, as there's not much time left. If you want a fast death, then you can go outside and hit. We will be broadcasting the national anthem to commemorate that even in war, our country and its citizens will be united. Thank you and goodbye.